Hey SWAT Roofing, this is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing company and I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you to show you some tips and tricks that you can utilize on your website to generate some more business online and take more of that higher ranking competition's business essentially. So before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this video. I want to be able to serve you as much value as possible. So by the end of this video, you see that I have some knowledge in this space. And would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out and let's chat. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. So I'm going to go over three things for you that are very, very effective in rankings online. And those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So since we're on your homepage right now, we'll start with content. What content is going to be, it's going to be the actual written words of content that you have on your site, the images in the background and the images in the forefront. So this is your homepage right here. You guys don't have that much written content or imagery content. So when we do websites, we recommend no less than 1,500 to 2,000 words of written content per homepage. Yes, it's going to be a little wordy, but the reason why you want it to be wordy is because you want to be able to pack in as many high-ranking keywords as possible, around 15 to 20. And we do around 100 words of content to 150 words of content per single keyword. Right, so you're going to want to pack in as many as possible and have it more organic and flowy, not just keywords piled on top of each other. Because when the Google crawlers hit your site, if they see that it's just packed keyword on keyword on keyword, it's going to be seen as spammy, and you're actually going to do the opposite of ranking. They're going to put you on page like 10 or 12 or 20 or something like that. When it comes to the actual images on your site, you just want those to be saved as the highest ranking keywords. So whatever that is in your area for what customers might be searching for, make sure that that is what you're saving your images as. And as we go through this video, I'll actually give you a tool, an online tool that you can use when finding keywords that can help you rank a lot higher when it comes to making your content. So we'll go to citations right now. So what a citation is, to start, is a citation is going to be your business's name, your business's address, they don't really have right here, so your business's address, and the business's phone number as it is listed in the Google Map Pack section. So those three things, the name, address, and phone number, that is one citation, right? And the more directories you have your citations in, a directory being like LinkedIn, BBB, CityStar, stuff like that, just like online sources for businesses to post up their information, the more directories that you have citations in, that will help you rank higher in the Map Pack section. That is the primary thing that helps you rank in the Map Pack section right here to hit this top 3 spot. And the great thing about ranking higher in the Map Pack section as well is that you'll also rank higher in the organics down here. As you can see, a lot of these guys that are ranking a lot higher in the Map Pack section, they're also ranking pretty high in the organics as well. So kind of driving most of that business right there, right? So we'll go into backlinks and keywords real quick. So this tool right here is called Ahrefs. It's an online paid tool, fantastic tool to use when doing things like backlink information, making your URL more dominant, and keyword research and whatnot. So this is your site. I plugged into Ahrefs, as you can see right here. The UR and the DR, to go over that, is just going to be your URL dominance and your URL trustworthiness within Google's eyes. As you can see, you have around 4 organic keywords on your site. You have 18 referring domains and 38 backlinks. And if you're not familiar with what a backlink is, it's going to be a link from your site to another site or from another site to your site, essentially. And the more backlinks that you have accumulated on your site, the higher you're going to rank. That gives you a lot more trustworthiness and dominance on Google. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say you wanted to get a backlink to like a McDonald's in the area, right? So McDonald's obviously has a lot of dominance online because it's, you know, $1 billion business. But since McDonald's is completely irrelevant to the industry that you're in roofing, it would serve you no justice to get that backlink. You'd want to go for more of like a Home Depot or something like that. And I actually have your competition. We have Craig Roofing right here, and we have Droco Roofing right here. So we'll go back to Craig Roofing. I have them plugged into Ahrefs as well. And another great thing that you can use this tool for is you can actually go into your competition, like right here. You can see, okay, they have 1,500 organic keywords. They're getting around 742 organic traffic per month, and they have 248 backlinks. So we can actually click in here on their backlinks And one of the great things about this tool is you can actually see exactly where they're getting all their backlinks from, the pages that they're directing them to, and you can essentially go in here and get the exact same backlinks. So they have 240 something backlinks, I believe. So you go in here and you look at all the links that they have, and you would get the exact same ones. A little time consuming, yes, but would help you get more dominance online. And we can actually go back in here to Droco Roofing as well. Same thing with the backlinks, but we can do that as well with the organic keywords whenever this decides to wake up a little bit. Actually, let's go into the backlinks as well. We'll kind of hit two birds right here. So when it comes to the backlinks, as I said, not all backlinks are created equal. And as you can see in here, they have a lot of very, very relevant backlinks going to their site. So you have Press Advantage, you have Best Pros in Town, Akron, Ohio, Local, Digital Journal, a lot of sites that are going to be super, super relevant. They might be like blog posts. They might be like guest posts of people recommending their site. Stuff like that would be different links when people actually link your site over there. And here's in the keyword section of Ahrefs. And so I'll just go over the basics of right here. The volume is going to be the volume of clicks that specific keyword or key phrase is getting per month. The KD stands for keyword difficulty, meaning like the competition behind the keyword. So you want a really low KD with a really high volume, essentially. Obviously, their name is popping up. But even Roofing Akron, they have a 350 search volume with a 5 KD. So this would be a great keyword to use on your site. Or Roofing in Akron or Akron Roofing. As you can see, they definitely did some SEO on their site. They have a lot of really great keyword ratios in here. And so you can do the same thing on this tool. Go into Ahrefs, plug in your competition site, look in their keywords, look in their backlinks, and use exactly what they're using to help your site rank a lot higher, so you can grab the exact same business that they're getting. So I don't want this video to go over too long. I hope that you got some value from it. And like I said in the beginning, if you did and would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out. Let's chat. And if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.